This is true, right? It can make you $300 per day or more. I've made $1,000 per day at some points, right? So what's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, the Wolf of Marketing, and in this video we're going to show you how to make a full-time income online working from home or anywhere. Whether you wanted to go ahead and work from a coffee shop, whether you wanted to work from your villa like I am in Bali, Indonesia, or whether you wanted to work remotely, traveling the world, doesn't matter. All you need is a laptop. So before we actually get into that, if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the first link in the description or the link in my bio. But let's get right into it. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Basically what you're looking at right here is the business model that I've used to make multiple six figures online, working from home, traveling the world, going from country to country, so on and so forth. People always ask me the question, how do you make money online? So this is the simple business model right here. It doesn't get simpler than this, and I'm just basically gonna go ahead and actually break this down to you, right? There's two simple web pages that I have used to make so much money online, and you could do the same thing, right? Now, first and foremost, what I do is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you refer other people's products, right? So you find somebody who has a product that solves a problem. When a transaction is made, you get paid a commission. Basically, what I would recommend when it comes to affiliate marketing is picking one of the big three niches, which is health, wealth, or romance, meaning helping people improve their health, helping people find love, or helping people make more money, right? Now, I am in the BizOp niche, which is basically the wealth niche. And the reason why I do that is because I went from dead broke to making a lot of money online and being able to travel the world. So I want to help people do the same thing. So you want to ask yourself the question, do I want to go ahead and help people improve their body, find love, or make more money? Once you ask yourself that question, you figure out what niche you want to go in. And then once you figure out what niche you want to go in, you want to go and find a affiliate product within that niche that solves that problem. Then what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and set up some systems, right? So when you go ahead and actually find an affiliate product, here's an example of an affiliate product that I'm currently promoting. The words at the top looks a little bit crazy. The system that makes me $300 per day, activate yours below free, no strings attached, $2,000 value. Now guys, this is true, right? It can make you $300 per day or more. I've made $1,000 per day at some points, right? So you guys can do this too. And basically what this is a sales video. Basically the sales page for the affiliate offer, right? So I don't create this, the affiliate program creates this. So whether you're selling a make money online system, whether you're selling weight loss product, whether you're selling a romance product, they're going to have a sales page that has a video on it. And when you drive website visitors to this page, to this website, right, it's going to do 100% of the selling. This is that sales video that I was talking about. As you send website visitors to this page, they're gonna go ahead and actually watch the sales video, and if they're interested in buying the product because they believe it can help them find love, make more money, or improve their health, then they're gonna go to make a purchase. And then what happens is there's called profit sharing. So the company who created the product is going to go ahead and get a percentage of that sale. And then you as the affiliate are gonna go to get a percentage of that sale. So basically that's where this comes in. They go to the page, they watch the sales presentation, they wanna buy the product. Once they buy the product, they're gonna go to the order page. And then once they make a purchase, you get paid a commission, right? And then there's literally products as high as $1,000, $2,000 to where you can earn $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions. There's products that are lower where you can earn like $30, $50, $100 commissions. But I personally like to do high ticket product because you work less as hard and you make more money. Meaning if I sell a $1,000 product or a $2,000 product at a 50% commission, I can get $1,000 paydays. That's not what this is about. Basically, how do we get website visitors to this page? Now here's the thing. Here's the secret most people aren't going to tell you when it comes to affiliate marketing. 8 out of 10 times when you send a website visitor to your sales page, they're not going to buy you the first time. Why? Because you have to get people to know, like, and trust you before they make a purchase. What I mean by making a purchase, if I was to go ahead and actually buy a pair of Jordans, right, I trust the brand already. If I buy a pair of Nikes, I trust the brand. So people think, well, people buy stuff without knowing people all the time. The reason why they buy these things is because they trust the brand, right? I'm gonna buy a pair of Nikes without thinking about it because I've seen so many impressions. So yes, I've seen this offer so many times before I made a purchase. I'm gonna buy a Louis bag impulsively, but how many times have I heard the name Louis Vuitton? The same thing with your affiliate offer, right? This person has to be familiar with this product. They have to be familiar with your brand. They have to get familiar with you. They have to get comfortable with you before they decide to make a purchase. Same thing with Louis, same thing with Nike, same thing with Gucci. You've heard these names over and over and over again, so you trust them, so you don't have to think about making a purchase. You want to go ahead and get people in that type of buying state with you and with your brand. It's called authority marketing. You want to become an authority. You want to get people to know, like, and trust you, and then after they know, like, and trust you, you're gonna go ahead and be able to actually convert them into a customer, just like these other brands do on a bigger scale. So the way that we're gonna do that is, okay, if I just send this person to this web page, the sales video right here, that website visitor to the sales video, okay, cool. What happens when they don't buy? They leave, and I never can follow up with them and get them to know, like, and trust me. So the way I'm gonna go to get these people to know, like, and trust me is by putting another page in front of this web page, right? So I'm gonna put a website in front of this, and the cool thing is there's softwares that make it super easy to make websites like this. But basically, for example, you're gonna go ahead and create some sort of statement that drives people's curiosity that is congruent with what you're offering on the other side. So this video is talking about $300 per day system. So on this website, it says free video reveals my $300 per day system, right? Simple enough, very congruent. If somebody puts in their email and goes to the next page, it's congruent, so on and so forth. So they're gonna watch the actual video. So obviously, what the whole point of this page is to actually collect that person's personal information, whether it's but basically most likely their email, and this is called list building, right? I'm gonna go and actually capture their email. So this is what it looks like. We send the website visitor to this initial page right here, right? So we send them to this page right here. Once we send them to this page, we're gonna go ahead and then capture their email, but we're gonna redirect them immediately. So for example, if I was to put bill@gmail.com, and I was to go ahead and actually put in my information, right? It's gonna go ahead and submit, but what's gonna happen is it's gonna go ahead and redirect them to that sales video. So the same sales video that I was just talking about, right? So simple enough, right? Super simple, not hard at all, right? We're gonna go ahead and send that website visitor, instead of sending them directly to the sales page, we're gonna send them to it's called a squeeze page, or an opt-in page. We want them to opt in with their email. So an opt-in page, I'm gonna send them to the opt-in page first, basically the website that collects their information, and then I'm gonna send them to the sales video. Because if they watch the sales video or the sales presentation and they don't buy, I have their information right here, right? I just captured their email. So now I'm gonna capture their email, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually send emails to send them back to the sales page. So I'm gonna get them familiar with the offer, There's a number of reasons why people might not have bought this product the first time. So I need to make sure I catch them at the right time, catch them when they actually have time to watch the video, catch them maybe when they're finally actually interested in the product, whether that's the 9th time, the 10th time, I have their email, I can follow up with them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually turn that customer who knows, likes, and trusts me, or that prospect rather, into a customer. And this is called list building. Basically, all you're doing is building a list, building an audience, right, by driving website visitors to this little page, and then offering an affiliate offer. If they don't buy the first time, I'm then going to go ahead and redirect those people back to the affiliate offer. And the cool thing about this business model is with these emails, let's just say this just wasn't the right offer to them. Does that mean they're not interested in making money online? Obviously, they're interested in making money online if they put their information into the page to get access to the sales video. So now that I'm starting to build this list of emails, I can also recommend other affiliate products that other people created, basically sending other sales presentations, selling products that are within the same niche, meaning helping people make money or helping people lose weight or helping people find love, whichever niche you're in. And then if they don't buy this product, I'll send them another one. If they don't buy this product, I'll send them another one. And there's 2 things that are gonna happen, or 3 things that are gonna happen. Number 1 is people are going to either stop opening your emails, they're either gonna unsubscribe, or they're gonna go in and buy your product. And the whole goal, guys, is basically just to get in contact with somebody at the right time when they're ready to buy that type of product. And then once you get them to buy a product, boom, you just turn them to a customer. You make some money. And the whole goal, the whole objective is literally to make sure if you're driving website visitors to your pages with paid marketing strategies like Facebook ads, solo ads, so on and so forth, you want to make sure you're spending less money on your paid marketing strategies than the profit and commissions that you're making on the back end. Meaning if I could spend $1 on ads and get $2 in return, that means I can spend $100 on ads to get $200. That means I can spend $1,000 on ads and get $2,000. That means I can spend $10,000 on ads and get $20,000. And then it's literally legally printing money. So if you guys want to learn this skill set, go to the link in my bio or the link down below in the description and grab access to my free book. Within that free book, it's going to go to basically teach you this business model in its entirety. It's free, no catch whatsoever. Just get access to the book. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribers button, hit the notifications bell to join the family. And until next time, the Wolf of Marketing, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.